Get a strong MCAT. If you are watching this series early in your pre-med journey, you may be wondering why I'm including the Get a Strong MCAT video at this point in time, since you're not going to be taking the MCAT for a while, probably even a few years. Well, the reason I'm doing it is because the MCAT is a critical element in your application, and I have your attention now. So I'm discussing it now. A few to-dos. Number one, take all the prerequisites courses for the MCAT before you start your MCAT prep. Number two, allow a lot of time for MCAT prep. Treat it like an additional course because that's the kind of time it will take. Number three, don't sit for the MCAT, for the actual MCAT, until you're getting scores on your full-time practice exams that you're happy with. You really only want to take the exam when you are really ready. Yes, you can take it more than once, but that's to be avoided for the following reasons. Number one, some schools will average the scores or limit the number of test administrations that they will consider, the number of scores they will consider. Number two, your score could go down and not up, and that's really something you want to avoid. You don't want that to happen. Even schools that count your highest score will see that it went down. And again, that's just not a good thing. Then the final reason you should only take it once is that it's a bear of an exam and expensive, so why plan? Who wants to take it more than once, if you can avoid it at least? Enough for now on the MCAT. The next video, actually the next 3 videos, will focus on the experiential elements that med schools want to see in successful applicants.